Welcome to the in front of me Motorola Moto Edge 20 Pro, and I'll show you how to change gesture sensitivity on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and scroll down here to the system section. Now just go here to the gestures, and here you'll see the system navigation, tap there, and on the right side here you will see the settings icon, and just as can you see, you can change your sensitivity by swiping with your finger to the left or to the right, from the lowest to the highest. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.